was born Andre J. Sutherland in the 80s in St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Dancehall artist Popcorn
Greatness
will join us in the Hot Chat on Wednesday, July 24 at 3:30 p.m. Don't miss it. Hot 102 FM, the radio station of the nation.
Yeah. Greatness.
When me a party, I don't know good. The party no be turn over. Tell a roll on the mic and the Land Rover. My party from 40 to an over. I'm a drink till me get hangover. That party a bucking up, champagne just a bubble. Me and the girl dem a cuddle. Me phone king up pick it up. Right now me a live it up. That party a bucking up, champagne just a bubble. Me and the girl dem a cuddle. Baby, bend over for your drink and pick it up. Me like that girl, pick it up. Right now the raving stars, the girl them be chant on the raving bars. Yeah. Beat them like a slaving shark, and wake them up like a tidal pass. Baby, hide and talk, that I told the truth on your private part. Me go tell them here we can walk, plus me don't get a bite from me. Me love your bikini, eyes look
ripping and rolling, rocking your radio right now. Donald Iceman Anderson, rocking the courtesy of Hot Ice here on Hot 102, the radio station of the nation, fully aligned with Brand Jamaica. Inside of the Hot Chat segment this year, Wednesday afternoon, we're featuring the real Pop Skull right now. Ladies and gentlemen, listeners in radio land and on the internet at hot102.fm, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you the really hot Popcorn. Wagwan, brother.
Straightness.
You ever give thanks for the forward, you see it?
Yeah, on a mad thing in
right.
ice.
Now, from me, I look on the paper, you know, Poppy, me I see a bag of achievements right now, thus far in your young career, thus far.
Yeah.
We see stuff like you have a new album coming out, first single drop September 10. We see Europe summer tours. We see so many things going on this paper right now for Popcorn. At this stage in your career, how do you feel about your achievements thus far?
Well, it's a blessing, you know. Yeah, it's a blessing from Father God, and big up to my fans them, cause you know them make it possible. Them always support the music and always give me the urge and them thing there for build more music. You see it, so
yeah.
It could not without my fans them, and it could not without God, and could not without Vybz Kartel. You see me, so you don't know. Big up, straight.
The story of the moment is the fact that Kartel has been acquitted of one of the murder charges. How does that make Popcorn feel right now when you hear say boy Kartel kind of free up on one of them things, then it'll look possible for come road little more?
Well, you know, it's a great feeling in our outer road we say for the real boss in here, you see me, so you don't know the next one forward, we have to just go and wait and see what go down.
Yeah.
Straight.
There was a recent birthday celebration at famous nightclub, Star Live Saturdays. So this is Popcorn celebrating Earth Strong, right?
Yeah.
How was that event for you? A lot of people came out and supported the artist.
Yeah, big up to the whole of the people that will turn out, you know, from every corner, you know, you see me? A maximum respect from Popcorn, mad respect, you see it, because you don't know. I never really promote it long. It was like 5 days promotion, really, you see it, so. But you don't know, people are asking me about it still on the internet and them things, but I keep it, and you don't know me did have to do it for the fans them same way, because at the end of the day, one more year pass and one more hard work in here, is it? So we can just have a one celebration at the end of the year, because you know the next day our work start again.
Yeah, man. And when I look at the paper again, I'm also seeing that you did a Europe summer tour this year already.
Yeah.
First time performing with a live band at festivals. What was that experience like for you?
Wicked. Yeah, that was a wicked experience, because for after live bands everywhere all over Europe this time, and it's a total different thing from the tracks too, you know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and it just show a growth too, you know what I mean? Yeah, because we always go on tracks and enough people never expect to see more of the band same way, but
yeah, them expect us tracks to say life and these things.
So we just turn up with the bands, and the people them was loving it, and all of them show them mad.
But Poppy, I don't like say you can't work a stage with bands. Cause I see you do that before, even before in Europe, you know.
Yeah, man, we do them things.
One of the shows that really stood out for me, where me really start believing in you as a performer and as a recording artist, but even more as a performer, was the Guinness show that they did over by Indoor. Popcorn, you delivered a smashing set for that show. Me nah gas you up now, I tell you the truth. You really shot the show.
Yeah.
The performance, the interaction with the crowd, everything was on point.
Yeah.
So if that is any indication of things to come, people should be pretty impressed with the performance that you are growing into, right?
Yeah, definitely, because now it's a big difference with me on stage, because you know at this time we're more comfortable on the stage.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
We can hold the composure now, and I like one time when we just run on and just want to run off. We grew up, you know, so the people them like even the second verse in the song, you know what I mean? So you don't know, we just do things different. We learn as time goes by, you know what I mean?
And that is a protocol when you go to places overseas like Europe and Japan. They might expect the second and the third verse and the bridge and
definitely.
That will attach with something there.
Even on the summer jam, you know, I perform all party shot on him song for all 5 minutes.
Yeah. They want the full song.
Yeah, man. and when me do the full song, I have to start from the front again.
Yeah.
I saw them do it.
I saw for them forward go.
Yeah.
For them forward, I don't know, one line.
No.
Yeah, the whole song and then pull up again.
Forward and pull up again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
all right.
them things.
Some people feel that, you know, when certain Jamaican artists talk like, you know, they go to Europe and perform, them feel like a style, like them go for a like 10 people, them a perform for a thing. Tell them some of the locations that you performed in Europe on this Europe summer tour.
We go places like Paris, Sweden, Rotterdam, which is Holland. We go Amsterdam in Holland again. We go Geneva, Switzerland. We go Germany. We go Brussels, Belgium. A few more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And most of these places it's pretty much sold out crowds that you're performing for.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Yeah, always sold out for me. Yeah, when we turn up now, it's always a sold out show.
Yeah, man. I mean? What was your trip to Africa like? The first time performing in Zimbabwe for the New Year's Eve performance. That was a huge deal for Popcorn.
Yo, I want to show it from my iPhone. Sick.
Oh, I don't want to Jamaica see it too.
Yo, man, I tell you, say, mad. Alright. Even when we just land, from land at the airport, a whole heap of people outside of the airport are wait for me. You know? And when we drive from the airport, it's like more than 35 cars. I drive with me to radio station, to club, to different location. Next day, I do a trip, I do a tour through the garage to them in Africa and in Zimbabwe, and everywhere we go, just whole heap of people, brother. And the show was like 8,000 people. You know what I mean? Properly sold out.
A big crowd, that, you know?
Yeah, man, brother. And we rock it for about 1.5 hours straight. Yeah, one of the time I DJ, when I sing Dream, one of my fans them jump up on the stage and him a jump beside me and some security beat him, and somebody from the crowd throw a buckle off of the security, and then somebody throw a next one drop on my finger, you see me? And I go off of the stage for a minute and wrap up my hand. Out on the stage again and finish it up for the people. You see it? Yeah, the people them say, I for them present that, I for them New Year's present that for real, because even when me reach them, I say, yo, the people them over here, I go big. They want to see what you can do and pray, because enough artists come and don't deliver, and it come like a pressure at first, but they don't know me, just do it.
You just embrace it and do it.
Yeah, because that is what I do.
Yeah. So you have to have security and them something over there,
yeah,
right?
man, whole heap of security, man, at every point. When we got through the garage, then we could go out of the vehicle, you know, because it was too much people.
People that rush the vehicle and them something.
Yeah, whole heap of people, brother. Yeah. It's not no normal thing, you know what I mean?
As a youth from growing up, born in St. Thomas, Jamaica, resided in Portmore, on an island, with like
Yeah.
2.7 million people, going to a continent like Africa, going to a big, huge country
And
like Zimbabwe, and
Yeah.
seeing the love that so many people have for you over there.
Yeah.
You know that the big old continent there, full of black people and all these things.
Yeah.
And a be a lot of them I show you. Does that offer some sort of humbling effect for you?
Yeah, man, definitely, man. Because we always humbling. I always say humbleness is the kilo of tightness, you know.
Yeah.
So, we always be we real self from man, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, we never overstep ourselves at no time, because the best thing is to be yourself at all time, because you can't, if you pretend, you can't pretend forever. One day your true self will come out, so you have to just be yourself from morning, is it? Straight.
To me, in my opinion, you are one of the artists that represent the next generation of dancehall acts coming out of Jamaica. And I personally believe in it. And like me say, but now gas your popcorn. I believe in you as a performer. And with the music that you're making now, I believe you have the power to reach many, many people. And you have the power to reach even further than where you're going. I'm saying that in response to the fact that there are already numerous collaborations with you and international acts already. Snoop Dogg, aka Snoop Lion, Pusha T, you have videos in rotation on MTV. How do you keep up with this level of work that you're doing? Because it's not normal, you know.
Yeah.
To have a song out with Snoop Dogg is not a normal thing, let alone other artists, let alone having these songs in constant rotation on international television. What does that do for your ego and for your franchise and for your brand?
Well, definitely it motivates me more, and it make me feel like I can do more, as I said before, because for me, they are Jamaican, Snoop Lion reach out to me, Pusha T, Drake, all of them people there. It just shows my music reach to different people from different aspects of life, same way, you see me? So when Snoop Lion goes and record a song with Popcorn, because the song with Snoop Lion, you know, I write the part with Snoop sing, you know. So when him give me them opportunity to even sing with me, write it just motivate me more, because well, me I grew up and see them man there on my TV, me never dream them man there, so still, you see me, and it happens. So I for just give Father God thanks for that, you see me, and you got see Wally more big collaboration in the future, because we already have some of them in the making still, you see me?
Yeah.
Straight.
And some of these videos, or should I say most of these videos that were already shot were shot in Jamaica.
Yeah.
At them forward here, and then you go over there.
No.
So that experience in itself speaks volumes.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Jamaica the real rock, man, for real.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be touring in Canada soon, or have you already toured in Canada?
Yeah, me recently, before I go Europe, I was in Canada. All solo venues same way. Vancouver, Montreal, Edmonton, Ottawa, London, some different places in Canada same way, you see me?
Yeah.
And Canada show me a different type of love to, you know, so me have to shot my video in Canada to show them some love same way, you see me? So you know.
There's a song called The System, which you said is one of your popular songs, your most popular songs worldwide, not popular in Jamaica though. What kind of reaction are you seeing from the fans about that song worldwide?
Well, that song, when it drop, it make everybody move. System, and last year when I toured Europe last year, it did just get
a soak in.
them time there, and everywhere go, especially the white people them. Man. Because you know over there you have all type of nations in there. You see African, you see Chinese, you see Ray, you see it? So just when I say black people about Indian people about white people about, everybody can relate to it. You know what I mean? And when the ear say it depend on MTV and VH1 soul and them thing there, it just shows different people accept that, because you know everybody I got accept party shot or I got accept raving. So we just do a different thing, because everybody sing about girl and them thing upon that rhythm. But that's how my mates lead me for go system. So that just show me say I can do different things too.
And that is contributing to your versatility as an artist, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Does Popcorn write most of his music, or all of his music, or some of his music?
Yeah, man. All of them. Vybz Kartel write. Clarks. Vybz Kartel write.